All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right. It's the DMV Weave Doctor. I am driving on my lovely way to work. And today we're going to be talking about digestive enzymes. And also, the Weave Doctor got into some trouble over the weekend. Okay? You know, even sometimes when you're trying a new diet, or not necessarily a new diet, or new different recipes, sometimes some of the ingredients that you once thought were safe are not as safe as you think. Yes, because the other day I had made a post about one of my pumpkin soups, and it was my first time ever using the actual, what is the name of it? I actually had dumplings, homemade dumplings, but I did not use flour. So I thought that it would be okay. However, the Weave Doctor must have forgot one little small thing, that this was considered a complex carbohydrate, and that when it broke down, it converted into sugar. And so I used oat flour on my dumplings. However, when it broke down, it's still in my body. It was like I was not necessarily allergic, because there are different types of things. You can be allergic, and then you can have an intolerance where your body no longer properly breaks the food down properly. So that is what I was experiencing, and it was a mess. And it wasn't that it was just so bad. It's just that normally my body is just feeling good for the most part on a day-to-day basis, especially when I'm avoiding different sensitivities to different chemicals, things like that. I just normally feel excellent. However, when I was, and I didn't even eat that much of it. I might have had maybe, every day I might have had like the size of a quarter, maybe double that of a dumpling. And it created a very much like I was starting to get a bloating feeling. And the first time I ate it, I thought it was some indigestion going on with that. So, you know, we just got to be careful and realize, you know, you're trying to, and you would think because I'm being gluten-free that would have been okay. However, that is still considered to be a form of a carbohydrate. So this just shows you have to be careful what you're intaking in your body. Even if you think you're being organic or being gluten-free, these things still can be forms of carbohydrates that can be causing damage on your stomach. And I had a little bit of, not necessarily gas, but just a little bit of bloating and cramping. And that generally can be like a telltale sign that your body did not digest it properly, and also that is some type of bacteria that is now developed. So I had to take my handy dandy Biomedics. This is an excellent product right here. It is by iShopPerium. And if you want to find out more about it, just let me know. It actually has fulvic acid. It is a natural chelator. I really don't endorse a lot of chelation because it can do damage and take out more good than bad in some cases if they're overly done. So with this thing it's known to remove glyphosate, and that's a very popular thing that's in non-organic foods and other chemicals today in our food. So that's pretty much all about for this topic for today. You need to just make sure that whatever you eat, that you need to be paying attention what exactly is included in some of the ingredients. So yeah, so many of our foods have the glyphosate, and this has the fulvic acid, the chelator. So what this is going to do, this is going to remove any type of absorption of any bad chemicals of food in my digestive tract and kill any parasites and any type of bacteria that's going on at the current time after I've eaten something that was not on the list. And sometimes the more clean your body gets, then the more sensitive you are to eating and ingesting different types of chemicals. So yeah, that'll be all for today. And then lastly, everyone that's on this program needs to be getting digestive enzymes. And you might say, my body already know how to digest enzymes. Why do I need to do that? Why do I need to use digestive enzymes? However, as we stated earlier, that because of the chemicals that we are ingesting on a day-to-day basis with the processed foods, we need digestive enzymes to help us. So we're going to be talking about this on another video. I'm rushing to work now, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful and awesome day. All right, eat healthy. Make sure your body gonna let you know, baby. You wonder why you got all these cramps and aches and pains? Because you're not eating right, baby. Get on the program, all right?